All right, I bought some ground duck this week, and I'm just going to show you how to make some meatballs with ground duck. So right here I have a pound of ground duck, and I have some epic pork rinds, which I put in my food processor, and I have now kind of like breadcrumbs consistency, and then 1 egg. And I'm not going to add any salt to this because there's already salt on the pork rinds, and then obviously there right here it says salt added. And all I'm gonna do is just mix everything together. So let's do this. So as you can see right here, I'm just working everything together. We have the ground duck and the crushed pork rinds along with the eggs. So right here, I'm just making meatballs with the mixture, and I try my best to make them all around the same size just so that they can all cook evenly. So I was able, with a pound of ground duck, I was able to get about 13 good size meatballs out of that amount of meat. And then once it's done, I just pop it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. And once it's done, this is what I have, this yummy goodness. You can choose to actually, fry it on the stovetop, but I just love popping things in the oven, walking off and coming back and have it be done. So if you would prefer a crispy coating, you can definitely, do it on the stovetop, but it was still yummy, as you can see right here from my daughter's review. Yummy and simple. That's a win for me. All right, you be blessed.